Hey, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. How are you? I want to wish everybody a wonderful Friday. This is August 31, 2018, and I want to wish you a great weekend. I've got 5, 6 charts coming up here to give you something to ponder about for the next 3 days, and maybe you like them on your watch list. Everyone take care. Have a great weekend. Pretty well. We still have this high to deal with, about 1740 up here. I suspect there'll be a little bit of pullback maybe. And then the next targets I'm looking for are about this 1875, 2160. Let's take one at a time though, cautiously. But that looks like pretty nice. That looks like it's going to pay out very well. Any kind of a pullback, if it holds that T-line, I would think of that as maybe an add to, or maybe somebody wants to make a fresh new buy on it. This CVNA, I'm not in this one. This is a pretty nice little chart here. Nice little move up. Look how this thing has we've consolidated here and popped. We consolidated here and popped, consolidated and popped. And here we are consolidating again, and it's trying to do that pop right here. So this starts moving up. Like I said, I'm not in it. I think what I'd be looking for right now is maybe a little follow through Tuesday, or we'll just say next week. A little follow through and then some consolidation, maybe looking for an entry there. I'd be okay with it even if it pulled back down to the T-line, the low of this candle right in there. I should put it right there, in the low of that candle right there. FDC, this is one I'm long in, and we've got nice little Morningstar type candle. It's not the perfect Morningstar candle for sure. Perfect, this would have to be down a little bit lower. Nice consolidation here. I'm going to call it a Morningstar signal. If we look at a 2-day chart, look how that pop out of the box shows up right here. That little pop out of the box right there. And you can see that we're popping out. Let's see, a weekly chart. Not much in the weekly chart, really. So right now, I would suspect which we're there already, testing this top, a little consolidation might be perfectly normal. A little bit of follow through. If you're not in it, you're looking to get in it, then you might wait for that breakout, wait for some consolidation, and buy a little closer to support. Those that are in it, you're just going to make a little more money. This HZNP, let's see who asked about that. Tom. This is today's feature trade idea. Ed took care of this. I mean, great job, Ed. What a nice chart. And we've got a low here, a low here. It's well above the stop. We're breaking out of that 293 area, which that was the trigger point. We still have this little area right here, which I wouldn't, that doesn't even concern me. If it does give us a little pullback, so what? As long as the pullback is still a low, high, higher low, long as it stays there, then it's still going to climb up higher. Right now, I would have to be very bullish on HZNP. This Costco is acting very nice here. Nice little run up. We pull right back to the T-line. We put in a little consolidation here. It's breaking out of this candle that belonged to the sellers. Anything above that 232.70 level, I would consider that bullish and look for a trade above that. Nike is picking its steam back up. I'm currently almost 59%. I'm going to call it 59%. what I'm looking for is a breakout here, another leg up. So still holding it, still following that trend up. So anything above 83.30, I would look at that as maybe another buy, possibly an add to. If it can prove it can hold up, rest and test above there, the bulls may take that up further. Okay, so here we are into the close. SPY closed fairly decent. Like I said, overall, I mean, I think that's a pretty nice chart. If you like charts that pop and pull back, pop and pull back. If you like those type of charts, which I do, it's looking pretty good right here. Diamonds, same thing. IWM, same thing, same kind of pullback. Qs, same. Qs didn't really pull back to the T line, just more of some consolidation. Remember that we've got a 3-day weekend. Anything can happen. Doesn't matter how good a chart looks or how bad it looks. Man, you toss a tweet out there or something over the weekend and it could change everything. So just remember to mind your stops and trade wise.